Hi all. We stopped our last video to discuss the word problem of subtraction. Today we are going to discuss the remaining questions of that same topic, textbook page number 41. And also we discuss the another topic, mixed word problems. Okay? All of you take the page number 41. We already finished the first four questions. Now we are going to discuss the fifth question. So all of you take the textbook and read the question. Agila has 543 stamps and her uncle gave her his collection of 264 stamps. How many stamps does she have now? Clear? Agila has 543 stamps and her uncle gave her his collection of 264 stamps. Clear? So Agila has 543 stamps and her uncle gave from his collection 264 stamps. The question is, how many stamps does she have now? Clear? How many stamps does she have now? So 543. Agila has 543 stamps. So how we can write the statement? Number of stamps Agila has. Clear? How many stamps? 543. Then, and her uncle gave her his collection of 264 stamps. So, number of stamps Agila's uncle gave. So, next statement, number of stamps Agila's uncle gave. How many stamps her uncle gave? 264. The last question, how many stamps does she have now? So how we can make a statement? Number of stamps in all, or we can say number of stamps all together. Okay. So last statement, number of stamps Agila got all together. In all, or we can say all together, means say addition. The Agila has 543 stamps and her uncle gave her his collection of 264 stamps. From his collection, 264 stamps gave to Agila. The uncle gave to Agila. Clear? So she have 543 and uncle gave 264. How many or total number of stamps we want to find? The total number of stamps. Clear? So starting with the addition. 543 plus 264. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 6 6. It's 10. Here 0. Right one is the carryover part. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So total number of stamps, 807 stamps. Have you clear? So homework textbook page number 41. 6 and 7 is homework. We can discuss the question. A parking lot can hold many cars. Presently 2090 cars are parked in it. There is space for 1632 more cars. How many cars can the park lot hold? Clear? So presently 2090 cars parked in it. There is a space for parking 1632 more cars. So we want to find how many cars can park lot hold. Then the next question. A carpet factory manufactured 16,453 carpets 1 year. It manufactured 1,243 more than that in the following year. How many carpets did it manufacture in both years together? So number of carpet manufactured in 1 year is, it's given. A number of manufactured in second year. How we can find the second year? So 1 year 16,453 and the next year that plus 1,243. Okay. So number of, the last question, how many carpets did it manufacture in both years together? Number of carpet manufacture altogether. Find it. Okay. Now we are moving to the another interesting topic, mixed word problem. The mixed word problems are like the questions are coming addition and the subtractions together. Okay. Not only the one question. The questions are coming in addition questions are there and subtraction questions are there. So we call it as mixed word problem. Clear? The textbook page number 42. The painters of 25 buildings have to complete the work in 30 days. They need 423 cans of white paint and 678 cans of red paint. How many cans of paint do they need in all? They need 423 cans of white paint. So what is 423? Number of cans of white paint. Number of cans of white paint. How many? 423 and 678 cans of red paint. So number of cans of red paint. How many cans are there in red paint? 678. So we want to find how many cans of paint do they need in all. So number of paints need in all. So number of paint cans need in all. How many cans of paint do they need in all? Number of paint cans need in all. So what is the operation? In all, on the last, the Agila stamp question, you remember all together which operation we do? It's a addition, same as here. Number of paint cans need in all together. So do the calculation on the working column. 423 plus 678. 8 plus 3 is 11. One is write down and one is the carry over part. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So altogether how many cans need for paint that building? 1101 cans. Okay. Have you clear? The painters of 25 buildings have to complete the work in 30 days. They need 423 cans of white paint and 678 cans of red paint. How many cans of paint do they need in all? Number of cans of white paint 423. Number of cans of red paint 678. Number of paints can need in all. So add that numbers together. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 is write down, 1 is carry over. 7, 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0, 1 is carry over. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1101 cans altogether need to paint that building. Clear? So this is the addition question. So now we move to the next question. A large stadium can hold 10,000 people. Clear? A large stadium can hold 10,000 people. One day there were 5,050 people, of which 2,976 were women. How many were men? Say large stadium can hold 10,000 people in one day. Only we discussed the case of a one day. Clear? This 10,000 means the stadium can hold 10,000 people. But now we are discussing only one day case. Okay. So one day there were 5,050 people, of which, that means the number of people in the stadium. Clear? So how we can write the statement? Number of people in the stadium. Number of people in the stadium. So how many people? 5,050 people. Of which, from that this much of number, which 2,976 were women. Clear? Number of women. How many women are there in the stadium? 2,976 were women. How many were men? So we want to find how many from this much of number of people. 2,976 are women. So how many are remaining for men? Okay. So write the statement number of men. How we can find? So total number of people is given and number of women is given. How we can find the number of men? It's a subtraction from this number to this. Okay. 5,050 minus 2,976. 5050 minus 2976. 0 minus 6. It is not possible. So we borrow from the second place, that tens place. The tens place number became 4 and this number became 10. The ones place became 10. 10 minus 6. Answer is 4. 4 minus 7. It is not possible because 4 is smaller than 7. So it is not possible. So that time we borrow from the next number. The 100 place number is 0. So it is not possible. So this 0 borrow from this number became 4 and this number became 10 and this number became 9. This is become 14. Clear? 14 minus 7. Answer is 7. Then 9 minus 9. Its answer is 0. 4 minus 2. Its answer 2. So how many of men? 2074 were men. Clear? A large stadium can hold 10,000 people. One day there were 5050 people, of which 2976 were women. How many were men? So we want to find how many men are there in the stadium. Okay. So number of people in the stadium 5050. Number of women 2976. Number of men 5050 minus 2976. So answer is 2074. Clear? So next, page number 42. All of you take the page number 42. The 3, 4, 5 is homework. Okay. Homework. Keep a page number. (42). Question number 3, 4 and 5. So we can now we can discuss third question. For a wedding that was to be attended by 750 people, the decorators had used 1250 flowers in the hall. If they had already used 985 flowers, how many more did they have to use? So decorator, number of flower decorator had to use that much. Then number of flower already used. So how many more flowers? So more flowers used. Okay, it's a what? It's a subtraction case. The next is Lakshmipur. The fourth question. Lakshmipur has population of 13,654. The neighboring village, which is 85 km away, has a population of 9,765. How many more people are there in Lakshmipur? More people. Okay. When we discuss the word problems, I already said more, less, altogether, which operation we can use. So more means it's a subtraction. Then fifth question. Sarida buy 250 meter of blue cloth. Here the number is given 250 meter. So how we can write the statement? When we use the meter, in which measurement we can use meter? Yes, the length we can use meter. Okay. Sarida buy 215 meter of blue cloth, 309 meter of red cloth, 987 meter of white cloth and 849 meter of green cloth. She make 986 dresses using only the red, blue and white cloth. How much material does she use in all? The length of blue cloth equal length of red cloth, length of white cloth. Okay. Only that three colors used for making that dress. Okay. So how much material does she use in all? Total length of the cloth. Clear? Then add that 3 colors. So thank you.